Hey, hello everyone. Again, I come back with some interesting online courses. Today, I'll tell you about the top 7 best PHP online courses. And if you want to more information about the online courses, subscribe channel CourseAvatar and click on the bell icon to get updated. And all the courses are links given below in the description box. Must go and check out the links after the ending of this video. Let's get started. So our first course is a PHP for the beginners, become a PHP master. And here you can also do the CM projects. It's on a Udemy and you will learn about the PHP and with projects and practical exercises. So it's a beginner course. You cover the PHP and MySQL in this course. You will learn to deploy your own applications about coding, refactoring and debugging and creating pigmentations and password hashtags, learn PHP securities and how database can be used. You will learn using Bootstrap, gaming, real life experience, and this course is for the people who don't have any programming experience in PHP and they wants to learn PHP. Then they definitely go for this course. And you are just a beginning to learn this course, then go and check out the link. Our next course is a web application for the everybody specialization. This course is on the Coursera, and here you taught by the Charles Russell services. You will learn the make dynamic websites backend by databases. You cover the MySQL, PHP, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, jQuery. You will learn to install your deployment environment and you create many web applications with that you can add at your CVs. You will learn install the text editor also, how to web browsers connect with the web servers to handle events with a jQuery. And this course is also for the beginner level course for the people who wish to want to learn PHP and become a perfect intermediate level of PHP developer. Then definitely go for this course. Check out the link given below in the description box. So our third course is also for the beginners. Is also on the Udemy. Here you will learn about the how to create your content management system for the beginning with the MySQL and PHP. You will cover the bootstraps. Also, you learn here. You will learn MySQL and PHP. You learn how to style your website using Bootstrap, and you can combine third-party code in your website. You will learn the web applications concept in PHP and like sending emails, ajax code operations and uploading files, and many more things are there. This course is for also for the people who wish to want to learn PHP language and make their own web applications, or they wants to make the web applications for their CV or for their portfolios to get a better job. Then definitely go for this course. We learn many things in this course. Go and check out the link given below in the description box. So next course is a PHP for the beginner course. Here you will learn all the code used fully explained here. It is also on the Udemy, and you will learn the basics of PHP like loops and arrays and basic operators. Also you will learn to make a bad word filter with the days like Christmas and scripts. You manipulate the sentence and words using the string functions, and you make learn to make delete and read or cookies and sessions. You will learn to use associated errors and control them with array functions. This course is for the beginners, is an intermediate level course for the PHP. And to learn this course, it doesn't need any prior knowledge of the PHP. Just start it. You can, if you are just starting, then you can definitely go for this course. Is a just beginning course where you will learn all the basics of the PHP. Go and check out the link given below. So next course is a beginner course for the PHP. Here you will learn from the YouTube. YouTube channel name is Traversy Media. Is a crash course of the PHP. Here we will cover the all PHP and MySQL and the basics like data types, variables, loops, conditional string functions, and many more are things are there. You will learn about the OOP classes along with arrays and expectations. This course is for the people who are beginners, just beginning. And if any student or school student also wants to learn, then definitely go for this course. This course is perfect for the school learners and the beginner level learner. Go and check out the link given below in the description. So our next course is to learn the PHP by the Codecademy, and here you will learn about the fundamentals and concepts of PHP. In addition, you also receive the certification after completing this course. This course is a totally free course. You covered all the PHP and its fundamentals. You will learn the ways of PHP is used in the web development and creating dynamic web pages, and you will learn about the functions of PHP, and from you can create your own piece of reusable code, PHP errors and handling the loops, and form handlings. It is also for the people who wish or wants to learn PHP and want to know more about the PHP as a basic HTML, and they have a basic HTML knowledge. They definitely go for this course. Is the best course for to learn the PHP. You can learn fast if you know the HTML. Go and check out the link given below. So here our last course is here. This are building dynamic web page apps or pages using PHP or MySQL by the course. It's for the by the Coursera, and you will learn about the here PHP and MySQL and backend also of the web development. You will learn the simple note taking web applications, you learn about the make databases, tables, users in MySQL, and you connect the PHP to the database. You will learn to make delete and add or update or retrieve your functions in PHP. Web app communicating aptly with the MySQL databases. You will learn about the PHP knowledge to secure the and capture the input from the user. This course is a beginner level course, and he will learn about the how you connect PHP to the MySQL the database, all the about the backend. If you know the little bit about the PHP or HTML, then definitely go for this course. Is the best course to learn it. Go and check out the link given below. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.